Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to make a milk carton raft. So I've been saving milk cartons up for like the past 3 months. I've got like 50 of them. I'll go through here and show you guys. That whole box has 42 in it. This box up here has got 12 I think in it. Basically I'm going to put them all outside, wash them out, just make sure they're all nice and clean.
Set myself free, set myself free, losing the ego and all that.
Oh my goodness, I was just necking myself.
Clothes on TV, leaving everything that hits me. Do you see what I see? Oh, and it's a bit cold. We live in a sick world, and it's a bit.
I've got all the milk bottles now, so we're just going to start take them out, putting them somewhere on the grass so I can start to, wash them out so they're not absolutely disgusting like that on the inside. So I do have a bit of wood from when me and Wills tried to build like a raft out of bottles the other time. Me and Wills are making a raft out of like milk bottles and stuff. So I might get some of this wood here.
It's a bit cold. We live in a sick world, and it's a bit bold, but we burn on our own code, leaving everything that you need. My own we found everything that I see.
So I've got like a ton of bottles out here.
We found everything that I see. My own we found everything. Set myself free. Oh.
That's absolutely disgusting.
Set myself free. Oh. Set myself free.
Got some ultra concentrate detergent, so hopefully it will kill some of the cheese.
My own we found everything that excites. My own we found everything. Set myself free. My own we found everything that excites.
Alright, time to empty all of these.
Found everything. Set myself free. Oh, we found everything that excites. My own we found.
I'm going to put the rest of these other milk bottles that are down on the floor on the side thing. I'm not going to film it because I've already done it once. That's basically all I'm going to do for today. I've got cleaned out all the milk bottles pretty much. Got the caps in there. Day number 2. So this is my new setup for my Spotify. So I got a little Bluetooth speaker here, and I got my phone. So what I'm going to do is, these are pretty heavy planks here, but I'm going to see if I get milk bottles and put them side by side all the way along this, and then put a strap over it. And I'll put it in the water and I'll see if I can stand on that and if it will float.
Sit back and set myself free. Set myself free. Set myself free. Losing the ego and all that they see. Engineered acts, no clothes on TV. Leaving everything that hits me. Do you see what I see? Oh, and it's a bit cold. We live in a sick world, and it's a bit bold, but we burn.
So what I've done is I've put a screw in here to hold the strap, and then I've put bottles all along here like you saw in the time lapse, and then I'm going to put the strap around on top. So pretty much I've put these new bits of wood in at the end here, just to hold them further down that way. So I'm going to load up the milk carton raft onto the billy cart, and I'm just going to take it down to the lake, see how well this can float. Alright, made it down to the lake. My camera was sitting in this little box with like sponges and a bunch of rags to keep it from getting bashed as I came down the hill. Well, look at that. She sinks. I don't know why. Look at that. I forgot to put all the taps on. And I did that on both sides. I'm a pretty smart cookie. So I'm going to have to take this out of the water, all the way back up, put all the caps on. Or actually I could just leave it down here and bring all the caps down. That'd be a smarter idea. Let's do that. Hopefully no one takes that, and you can't really see the thing down there. Time to go all the way back up. And back, I've got all the caps now. So now I'm going to put the caps on now that I've finally drained it out. It's just a dumb move anyway. All the caps are now on the thing. So I'm going to just dunk it back in the water and see if it floats. Time to go. Day 3. It's day 3 now, and I've got 2 of the 2 sides done. Okay, got these new bits in the ends here. So I've got one on that end and one on this end. I just added a second layer of milk cartons. So now there's 20, I think. All going in nicely now. So put all these panels in to stop them from coming through when it goes in the water. And just, if you can see, put string through it all, through the handles of the milk bottles to hold them on all of them. And then at the end I just put a bit of wood here. I don't know what I'll do here. I'll just cover that bit over or something, or maybe I'll put a seat in it, which would be pretty snazzy actually. And that's the end of day 3. Today is the day I test this bike. I'm gonna get the whole shebang. I'm gonna get this and chuck it on the billy cart. I'm gonna go down to the lake and we're gonna see if it's hold my weight or not. Spent like 10 minutes putting string through all the bottles here. So then if the straps break or if one of them pops out, and then the rest of them will all pop out, I'm not gonna lose all the bottles. Mad. Oh, I've got a paddle on it. It floats really well. It holds my leg. It's incredible. I can't believe it actually works. That's not good at all. I've got them all back in. Riding down the hill on the billy cart with the milk cartons. So I put a second layer of milk bottles in here, as you can see. So now, instead of there just being the 2 original ones, there's now an extra 2 on each, under each one. So there's now 8 on it. And I put string across them, there and there, across each one, just to hold them in, and that's also strapped into here. So then when they want to pop out, the string that goes through each handle is connected to the ones over there, which will also want to pull them out each way, and that'll stop them. There'll be these ones in the middle that'll stop those. So they'll pull out, try and pull these ones out, and these ones here in the middle should stop them, hopefully. So I'm going to wash you on this one here. It's actually not too bad. Anyway, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if this hits 20 likes, I'll do 24 hours on this thing.